Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Malaysia. I'm guessing you can see what's on the box, so without further ado, I'll crack it open and we can see what's inside. Oh, cool! Wow, so this is cool. Check it out. They sent a couple posters. And 1, 2, 3. Wow, 4 6-packs of this. And this is the Shinsegae Mamee Ghost Pepper Spicy Chicken Noodle. The noodles are black. It's really spicy and it's been really popular all over the place. And now it's here in the US, so you'll be able to get it here. And yeah, so that's very cool, and they wanted me to share that with you. It's 340 calories per cup, and yeah, these are really spicy. There's a lot of challenges that go along with these that people have done, so yeah, really looking forward to giving this one a try. I guess it's slightly different for the US, I think. That's what I remember them telling me. So, I could be wrong though, but I'm pretty sure it was just a little bit different. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another spicy noodle mukbang, and today it's my birthday and I'm really stoked. This is ghost pepper spicy chicken from Mamee Shinsegae of Malaysia. I want to thank a guy named Felix over at the company for cluing me in about this and sending it over. And here I have some prepared. Now check this out. I mean, look at those noodles. They're black. Yeah, not screwing around. These are black noodles. So, got my napkin. It's my birthday. I have a little swig of something before I lay into this. Now it mentions that ghost pepper is at 1 million Scoville unit. So going into this, I'm like a little pensive, but let's do it. And yeah, no Miles today, just due to the fact that, well, first off, he's at school, and second off, if he touched this and touched his eye, no. So. Alright, and Mamee is down for her afternoon nap. Hopefully she will stay in that configuration. Yeah. Ooh, black noodle. Check that out. Whoa, ready, set, go. Done. Hot. But doable. Hard to talk.
As I mentioned the last few times, one of the hardest parts of these noodle challenges these days for me is the fact that I've been on a diet. And I've been doing an average of 12 to 1500 calories a day. And just all that carb, bam, all at once. It's definitely a challenge, that's for sure. But yeah, this is a seriously spicy one. I'm impressed. Definitely a lot hotter than the regular Daibok. Happy birthday to me. Well, yeah, this is a limited time thing, so go out and get some if you want to challenge yourself to something spicy. And yeah. Whew. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.